Hello everyone, Mostly Grab One here, and this is my second package I got today, so I'm going to open this one up. Just give me a second. So this one, I did not expect this one to come because it didn't even mark this one shit. This is a comedy film, The Other Guys on Blu-ray with Will Ferrell and Mark Wahlberg, as you can see. See, he was from Walmart. It has both theatrical and extended versions. I heard this is a really funny movie. I really want to see it, so that's why I got it. This is the slipcover, by the way, and you see there's the PG-13 version, unrated version. The runtime, don't know. Theatrical version 107 minutes and unrated version 116 minutes. And I believe this is from 2011, if I'm correct, or 2011, or 2010. Yeah, it's 2010. So go ahead and just get this out of here. It's kind of heavy, probably because it has the two discs in it. And so there's the spine, and there's the front. It's literally the same pretty much as the slipcover, as you can see. So open this up. I guess the unrated version, I guess, is more of the R-rated version. There's a digital copy, which is probably expired, but I'm not going to show it anyways. And then there's the digital copy, and then there's the Blu-ray disc. So for the digital copy, I guess the DVD, I don't know. Don't know if there's any more discs in here. No, that's just it. There's also artwork. Let me show the artwork real quick. There's the artwork in there. The artwork in there. So that's that. Not really much to say after that. Anyways, that's all I have to say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.